Hi everyone, here we've got Motorola Moto E7 Power, and let me share with you how to check IMEI and serial number on this device. So actually we've got two different ways to check those unique numbers. The first one is the fastest one and it requires a secret code, and the second is using the settings, and obviously I will show you both. So let's begin with the secret code. Let's tap on the dialer, tap on the keypad, and let's enter the code, which is *##06#. And as you can see, by this code you are provided with both IMEI numbers and also a serial number attached to this device. Let's tap on OK, and let me show you another way to check those numbers, because if for some reason the secret code won't work on your device, then you will still be able to check them. So let's tap on the settings. Here we have to scroll down to the very bottom and tap on About Phone and scroll down, and as you can see here we've got both IMEI numbers for both SIM slots, and if you'd like to check the serial number, just tap on Model and Hardware and the serial number appears. So actually that's all. This is how to check IMEI and serial number in your Motorola Moto E7 Power. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.